Windows 11 Search is supposed to help you find your apps, settings, and files. So why is it showing Bing results? Let's remove those web suggestions and make Start Menu Search cleaner. Hi everyone and welcome to the CNATT channel. Before we change anything, let's see the problem. Click the Start button and search for Backup. I'm using Backup because it shows real Windows settings, but it can also trigger extra web suggestions. After this change, those unnecessary web suggestions should no longer appear the same way. Now let's turn them off. Click the Start button again, type Reg Edit, right-click Registry Editor and choose Run as Administrator. If you see the user count control prompt, click Yes. In Registry Editor, go to this path. H-key current user, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows. Now look under the Windows key. We need a key called Explorer. If Explorer is already there, select it. If it is not there, right-click the Windows key, go to New and click Key. Name the new key Explorer. Now select the Explorer key. On the right side, right-click an empty area. Go to New, then choose Default 32-bit value. Even though Windows 11 is a 64-bit operating system, select Default 32-bit value here. This is the correct option for this registry entry. Name the new value. Disable search box suggestions. Make sure you type the name exactly as shown. Don't worry, I've added the value name to the video description so you can simply copy and paste it. Now double-click Disable search box suggestions. Change the value data from 0 to 1. Then click OK. This disables search box suggestions including web suggestions in the Windows 11 Start menu. Now close Registry Editor and restart your computer. After Windows restarts, open the Start menu again. Search for Backup. Now the results should focus more on local Windows items like backup settings instead of extra web suggestions. Windows Search still works. We are only removing the web suggestions from the Start menu search experience. If you ever want to undo this change, open Registry Editor again, go back to the same registry path, find the value you created, and either delete it or set it back to 0. Then restart your computer. And that's it! Your Windows 11 Start menu search should now be cleaner and focused on local results. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple Windows fixes.